NMAT 25 seems to have been a bit more relaxed in terms of the scaling. इसका मतलब क्या बना? This year I am seeing a lot of people scoring about 270, 280 easily compared to what numbers we used to see last year. तो यहाँ पे लग रहा है कि NMAT ने अपना स्केलिंग थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स किया है. तो क्या इससे कट ऑफ्स आगे जाएंगे? I think that the cutoffs will go up by a bit. I'm not saying by a lot. The cutoffs will go up. And if you are looking at NMIMS specifically, I think they will stick to the competency test and the second round that they had started last year. तो वो चीज इस साल भी कंटिन्यू होगी ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है. If you are talking about the cutoffs, I expect the NMIMS के cutoffs to go to around 215 to 220 as well this year because of the inflation. तो करना क्या है? How do you attempt the NMAT? You have to have a very solid strategy in pace. पहले तो मतलब समझना है कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. योर ऑफिशियल गाइड इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड रिसोर्स. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ कोर्स, आई आल्सो हैव अ कोर्स ऑफ माय ओन दैट इज मॉडल्ड ऑन द ऑफिशियल गाइड, बट दैट इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू बी द बेंचमार्क बिकॉज उसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जनरली आएंगे. ऑल्सो लुक एट द ऑफिशियल मॉक्स दैट आर देयर. उसके अंदर जो स्कोर आएगा उसका काफी ज्यादा कोरिलेशन होगा विथ योर फाइनल स्कोर एज वेल. सो मेक श्योर कि ये दो चीजें ठीक से कर रहे हो. इन टर्म्स ऑफ अटेम्प्टिंग द टेस्ट, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस ऑर्डर में टेस्ट सॉल्व करना है. आई विल ऑलवेज वांट यू टू गो फॉर योर most convenient, most comfortable section at the very beginning, followed by the most difficult section, and जो moderate section इसको last में रख दो. Now, if you are someone else who wants to do the toughest section first, वो भी एक चीज हो सकती है, but I will recommend that for a lot of you, getting done with the easiest section will make you feel a lot better once you enter the test, and that is basically what will help you do well at the NMAT as well. सारे के सारे questions attempt करने हैं, कोई भी question छोड़ना नहीं है, because there is a penalty for letting go of questions and not finishing the section. So make sure that you are solving all the questions that are there. Once you solve a question, you can't go back to it, so the questions appear in a linear manner. So make sure that you are pacing yourself well so that you don't put a lot of pressure on yourself towards the end of the section. Very very important thing, questions easy से difficult नहीं होते. So make sure that you are solving the question on its merit and not because earlier है तो मैं ज्यादा टाइम दूंगा और लास्ट में आएगा तो कम टाइम दूंगा. Please don't do those things. And रही बात how NMAT changes its character over the 45-day window, तो कोई change नहीं होता in terms of character. It remains the same throughout the window. We have got this information from the people who conduct the NMAT. तो NMAT by GMAC is conducted in a consistent fashion throughout the entire window. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा that last में अगर दे रहे हो it's going to be very difficult. So please don't worry about those things. And that is basically what I wanted to say about the NMAT. Now if you have any queries in terms of the NMAT, do let me know in the comments section below and I'll try my best to help you with your query.